Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the 392 Life, and yeah, it's been a minute, guys. It's been a minute, but the weather's finally opened up, so you guys will see more POVs from me from now on. And yeah, stick around for a big announcement at the end of the video. You don't want to miss it, trust me. And yeah, let's go on a quick little drive here, guys. It's gonna be a short video, guys, kind of like a comeback video for me. I've been gone for a while, so probably keep it nice and sweet, 10-15 minutes, and that's about it. So hope you guys enjoy. You guys been doing well, though. It's been a long time coming, and yeah, hopefully you know, I want to upload more consistently this year, as I have a little bit more time than I did last year. So expect more videos from me. I'm gonna try to upload once, maybe even twice a week sometimes, and like I said, wait around for the big announcement at the end of the video. Yeah, we've got a lot of videos planned for this year. I want to go to the track one day. I know I think I said last year as well, but got more time this year, so definitely gonna head up the track, maybe with a couple of the boys. And yeah, just expect a a wide variety of content on the channel instead of just POV drives. I know you guys like the informative videos, so I'm going to be trying to at least pump one of those out a week, along with the POV drives as well. So yeah, looking forward to this year, guys. Turn around from here, guys. Oh, some bad road. Damn, got loose on that one. Nice. What's going on up here? Here. Alright, so as we're getting closer to the end of the video, like I said, this is going to be a nice and short video for you guys. I do have a big announcement. So your boy is going to be launching a Patreon, which is going to be linked down in the description. Check it out. I think if you guys enjoy my channel, I think you guys will like the Patreon. It's going to be $5 a month, and we're going to have lots of exclusive content on there, guys. The videos are going to be uploaded early. Some videos won't make it to the YouTube, that'll make it to the Patreon. Hopefully do Q&A videos if the Patreon gets big enough, live streams, all that stuff, guys. If that's something you guys are interested in, go down in the description, sorry, below, and check it out, guys. I'm going to use the revenue that I earn from the Patreon to support the channel, and just to make the uploads a little bit better, higher quality equipment, stuff like that. So yeah, check it down in the description below, guys. It'd mean the world to me if you do subscribe. And another big announcement, I also am doing a face reveal. So when this video drops on YouTube, I will already have the face reveal up on my Patreon. So if that's something you guys are interested in, go down below and subscribe to the Patreon, guys. So yeah, nice and short little sweet video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you guys need to do. And this has been your boy, the 392 Life, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.